My dear brothers and sisters, I'm Jesse with Living Tree Community Foods. We're here in the midst of Berkeley. Nearby is one of the world's greatest universities, a center of innovation and creativity. And we have a production plant here where all day long we make nut butters, beginning, of course, with our alive organic almond butter, the pillar of our business. And it's so very, very special because, of course, the almonds we use are grown by a wonderful farming family of 5 generations on this California earth. The soil is alluvial soil from what was once a great inland sea, and the water and the almonds are watered with water originating in melting snow in the high Sierras. So let us get started, and we're going to begin, as we have so very, very many times before, with alive organic almond milk. It's too easy to make your own almond milk. Of course, you could buy it in the store where it's been sitting on a shelf, possibly since the dawn of the Cenozoic, who knows? But if you want to make it yourself, all you do is add spring water to a blender, and then, of course, a heaping tablespoon of almond butter, and here you have it, alive organic almond milk. And now to this, we're going to add some chia seeds. Chia seeds are a food of the of Native Americans. It gave them strength and endurance. It's a wonderful thickening agent. We'll add some chia seeds. Okay. And okay, and next we're going to be adding, as our base, some banana. And then, how about some sweeteners? Sweeteners beginning with our Vermont maple syrup. And what about some local honey? And what about some magnificent Living Tree flame raisins, also like the almonds grown in the Great Central Valley, once an inland sea? So flame raisins. And then Living Tree alive organic medjool dates, which we have chopped up, finely chopped up. So medjool dates, wonderful, wonderful sweetener. Has so many uses. And now how about, this is a peeled lemon and some beautiful, beautiful apples. This is a Gala apple from Washington State. We've chopped it up. Let's give this. Okay. And now, how about how about some milk of paradise, which is a wonderful cashew macadamia butter. Very, very rich and enlivening. So milk of paradise. And what about some coconut oil? And last but not least, our magnificent walnut butter, one of our most popular creation, next to almond butter. Walnut butter. Also, the walnuts too are grown in the Great Central Valley. A source of immense fertility. Okay. And now we want to sort of top things off with a hint of Royal Himalayan pink crystal salt. Oh, then, of course, how about a magnificent California white peach? White peaches. And of course, a California avocado. They grow to perfection here. Okay. And now let's put this in our food processor. And we said it's going to be a red, white, and blue. So how about some blueberries? And how about some Concord grapes? We're so blessed to be here in California, where everything grows to perfection. These Concord grapes are just magnificent. One can't stop eating them all day long. They've just come on. So here we have So let's put this in our pie dish. And that's our first layer. And our second layer, that's our blue. And white is simply going to be our basic mixture. Okay. Now, let's put some more in the food processor. And now we have some magnificent California strawberries. Okay. Now let's pour this as the final layer. And we've got to decorate, but of course, so there you have it. We're going to put this in the freezer. My dearest of friends, we've had our mango, peach, banana, strawberry, avocado, and ice cream in the freezer for several days now, and actually it only needed to be there for a few hours, and now we're going to make its debut. So tasting is believing. So let's cut a slice, if we may. So here. And here we have my dearest of friends. And as you see, we have strawberries on the top, and white in the middle, and blue with blueberries on the bottom. So we have red, white, and blue. Mango, peach, banana, strawberry, avocado, blueberry, nice cream. What a wonderful delight in this midsummer. So, dearest of friends, let us go forward. You might want to hit the subscribe button down below for notices and updates and our weekly newsletter. You might also want to possibly give us a like. Your comments and criticisms and suggestions are treasured by us. It has been my privilege to share especially coming to you from the heart of Berkeley, California, with one of the world's greatest universities within walking distance of here, 40,000 students and faculty, and more Nobel Prize winners than anywhere else. So my privilege to share. Let us go forward. Let us go forward indeed, my dearest and dearest of friends, especially in these times. We have to exemplify kindness, friendship, pulsating, streaming aliveness. Thank you.